Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Midjourney. And I'm sure you've heard about Midjourney, it's one of the leading AI generation tools. Now, I'm gonna teach you right here how to utilize it step by step if you're not familiar. Please stay on the video because I'm sure at the end of this video, you're gonna be somewhat familiar with it. If not, you're gonna be a pro. So let's get started. So this should be the website of Midjourney, and just a disclaimer, to set things right of your understanding, Midjourney is not a platform in website. Basically, it's a Discord platform, but that's what I mean. You cannot access it via web. You cannot generate images via web. So you're gonna need a Discord account to use that one, and that will lead us to this next landing page. Basically, for this one, it's gonna be called Discord. So the reason why I want you to install Discord is basically Midjourney is inside Discord. That's the simplest example that I can give you. You cannot use Midjourney without Discord. So this is going to be the link of Discord, discord.com, and I'm sure it's the only result here. So download for Windows here. Again, if you're using a MacBook or Apple devices, please don't be afraid. This is auto detect. For example, if your OS detects that you're using a MacBook, this is going to be download for Mac. Got it? Thank you so much. So click on download. It will be downloaded on your PC and it should look like this. So basically right now, this is how Discord should look like. I'm going to give you a rundown on what the things to expect here. On the left side, these are the servers. So basically these different photos are basically group chats. If you're familiar with Messenger, Instagram group chats, basically those are the same thing as Discord servers. There are a lot of people here, some group of friends to work with, and that's basically it. On this sections right here, you can start a call, start a video call. It's just like Messenger, but a little bit more twist. And right here, you can edit the settings, deafen your headset, of course, mute your mic, like so. Now let me just remove Discord. Now once you're back in the landing page of Midjourney, I want you to sign in. Make sure you're already finished on Discord, okay? You already have an account for Discord before clicking sign in here, because that's very crucial. So I'm gonna click on sign in right now in Midjourney. So it will auto-detect your Discord application if you have an account logged in. Simply click on authorize, and then wait for it to finish. Now, after logging in on Midjourney, you should be seeing this. So this is gonna be the prices inside Midjourney. Basically, the basic plan is $10 per month, up to $100 or rather $120. That's gonna be mega plan. So before, if you're gonna see videos from before, I think a few months ago, you're gonna see some free trial plans. There is a free trial on Midjourney before. However, right now that doesn't exist anymore. There is no free trial in Midjourney. There is no free 1-month subscription in Midjourney. The most least you can get is $10 per month. I just want to highlight that. And then once you're logged in here, open your Discord, Midjourney bot, and the logo is a boat or kayak. Please correct if I'm wrong. So with this one, make sure you click on direct messages, or rather hover your mouse on the very bottom part until you see this, explore discoverable servers. Click on it, and with this search bar right there, type in Midjourney. So the very first result should be this one right here, even though without typing it. But for the sake of discussion, let's type Midjourney right there. Click on enter, and basically you'll arrive inside Midjourney. Now, since I am already inside Midjourney, there is no other prompts, there is no information at the start of the Discord. But for the sake of the discussion, I already did a screenshot. Let me just pull up the image so you can see what to expect. So once you join the Discord server of Midjourney for the first time, you'll see this logo. Simply click on Join Learn AI Together to make sure you're enabled. And basically for this, another disclaimer, you can join the server, but you cannot generate images until you get the plan. Basically, that's it. Now, once you're inside Midjourney of the Discord server, there are some what you call some channels here. So this is getting started. These are the announcement, the status, and so on and so forth. So I just want to remind you that there are things that may be overwhelming here. So please don't be afraid. We got you from here. So I suggest choosing a newbie server if you're new here. And once you're here, basically you can have some fun. For example, please take note, the command to generate prompts here is gonna be imagine. And then the thing I like about Midjourney is that it will give us some tutorial of what to do next. So as you can see, the imagine is the only result with the prompt bar right there. Basically, it wants us to follow it. Simply click on it and basically type in the prompt. And let's just say, just for the sake of the discussion, I'm gonna go red hair lady in a forest. Click on enter. And while it's waiting for it to finish, since I already have a beginner plan, this will take, I think, 2 to 5 minutes. And then while waiting, let's move on to the different things to do here. Now, basically, once you have the journey right, you can talk to it privately. For example, if you see anyone that has Midjourney, right click on it, click on message, and you'll have Midjourney one-on-one chat, conversation box rather. So you don't have to be overwhelmed with other creators creating their prompts. In here, you can just talk to Midjourney and create your images one-on-one. Basically, that's the idea. Now, for example, let's just say this is the image I've created earlier, okay? I want to highlight this 8 commands or 8 buttons. You have U1 to U4 and V1 to V4. Now, you might be asking what those are meaning or what those mean. So U1 to U4 are basically upscale 1, upscale 2, upscale 3, and so on, upscale 4. Same goes with variant 1 to variant 4. That's going to be variant 1, variant 2, variant 3, and variant 4. The idea is the U, the upscale, is basically downloading each photo and giving it a little bit upscaled finesse, if you may. So for example, I like this white one. I think this is number 2. Click on U2 right there, and basically at the very bottom, it's now right here. Now, for some reason, you want some different variations. Let's say you want variation number 3 on this 4. Click variation number 3, and then simply click on submit. You don't have to change any prompts just yet. Now, at the very bottom of the video, you'll see that it's currently generating. And right now, I think it's on 50%. While waiting for it, I want to highlight this 2 right here. You have upscale subtle or upscale creative. You can still upscale a little bit more even though we already upscaled earlier. And if you may, a little bit disclaimer, these 2 options right here are fairly new. I think this is the twice or second time I've seen this. Anyway, you can vary some subtle or strong vary right here. It's really up to you. You can change some more variants. And that being said, if you click on this web, you'll arrive on the website. Let me just click on it or copy the link, open a website. So basically that link will lead us to this photo of the dog we got earlier. Simply click on this icon to download it. Next is gonna be, this is the variants from earlier. Remember, we clicked variants 2. And this 4 photos are now the result. Basically, I think it's really good right now. Now, for some reason, let's just say, you want to check the settings of your Discord. Simply type in settings right here, and you'll see those are the guidelines. What I love about Discord and additional information, if you simply type in /, you'll see the things to use it. So you won't get lost basically. And then click on settings, click on enter, and you'll see these options right here. First thing, the drop down icon, drop down arrow will give you the versions of Midjourney. Right now it's on model V6 or alpha. The default is 5.2, and then there is a raw mode, stylist mode. So basically raw, it's going to be the raw image of the, or raw quality of the photo. Stylized is basically having an effect on it. And then the fast mode, of course, on how fast you generate your videos or images. And then you can reset the settings here. Basically, I know you're familiar with this one. Let's move on, and basically that's it. Now, while waiting for my prompt to finish earlier, remember the woman in the forest? Anyway, these are the basically tips and tricks on building a prompt. So the subject is basically this one. Let's just say a botanical birded fairy prince, flowing hair, sky eye, symmetrical mossy antlers, intensely sad gaze, wearing a floral diadem. So the idea here in making a prompt, you need to have a subject, other details and surroundings, stylizations, media type, artist, and parameters. Those are the key points on creating a perfect or near perfect prompt. For example, you want to create a botanical bearded fairy prince and add some twilight atmosphere and then add some stylizations, let's say monks or in the style of art germ or in the style of monks. So basically that's it. And then at the end, add some parameters, for example, aspect ratio of 9:16. I have a video on regarding the aspect ratio and how to create a perfect prompt to make it more powerful. Please check it out. And basically that's it on how to create a prompt. Now let's go back to Discord. Now this is gonna be the result from earlier. Red hair lady in the forest, remember my prompt? And these are the results. As you can see right here, all of them are cartoon or animated and only one is realistic. Basically that's gonna be it. If you want to download, of course, the real one, the one I mentioned, type in U3 to upscale the number 3 like so, and then you're gonna have the number 3 available for download on your end. Let me just check it before I close it up. There we have it. Now once you're here, simply click on save image and you'll be good to go. I'm gonna just click on save right there. Perfect. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.